question for you. Do you know what's common between Netflix owner Reed Hastings, Elon Musk, Airbnb's founders Brian Chesky, Joe Gebbia, Nathan Blecharczyk, and Mark Zuckerberg? Apart from the fact that they're all billionaires? What is the one thing that made them earn the big bucks? It's only one thing, and one thing alone. They guessed what a market might do in a week, a month, a year later. That's it, nothing more. You see, there are three ways to make a living in any business. Be first, be smarter than everyone else, or cheat. Now, I don't want you to cheat. And although there are some very smart people in every single market, it sure as hell is a lot easier to be first. Now, being an online marketer, I always watch the trends in online marketing like a hawk to spot the next big thing and when it happens so that I can be the first to exploit it and make massive profits. So what is it? Well, the next really big thing is a massive shift of consumer traffic from one platform to another. And this traffic is taking billions of dollars with it to the new platforms. I've made over $25,407 in the last year alone, totally hands-free, and built engaged lists of over 228,906 subscribers. And I've shown my students how to use this brand new method for life-changing profits. In fact, one of my students has even surpassed our results by using our software to make over $326,829 in sales in less than 2 months. And there are others that are using it to earn upfront and ongoing monthly payments, $500 or more, from clients that literally find them. While many more are tapping this to skyrocket sales of their own products and services without any paid ads. Mind-blowing, right? But wait till you hear this. My students got these results by exploiting just one platform using a powerful software we created. And now we've upgraded our software to help you exploit not one, but rather 2 such platforms, which means when you start using it, you'll be able to easily double in profits. Now, before I tell you more about this incredible software, let me just explain to you real quick the massive shift I just talked about so you can fully understand this incredible opportunity here.
Hey everyone, so what you're seeing right now is the result of a wonderful little device called a connected television device. This is an Amazon Fire Stick, but there is also Roku TV devices as well. Some TVs, smart TVs, already have these inside them. Gaming consoles, there are an abundance of ways that you can watch TV now online. Now, the reason why it's called connected television, it's ultimately any device that can connect to the internet and show you what you see right now, basically. This small device is the reason why people are leaving cable and going to connected television, basically. Amazon Fire and Roku TV own 80% of connected TV viewership, which is good for us, which you will learn. But basically, this plugs into the back of the television and connects to the internet. And this cable here plugs into the device like this and plugs into the back of the TV. Just this. You can even get shorter cables than this. Meaning that cable is obviously obsolete. There's no digging up the driveway, no digging up the garden, no drilling holes. You can watch more stuff. It's more affordable. It's easier to access everything you want. It works as a search engine. There are multiple benefits, okay? And what you're seeing right now on the screen is connected television. Now with TVBOSSFIRE, you can actually create TV channels that get your channels amongst the big dogs, okay? And you will learn out more very, 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 very soon.
Okay, so welcome to TVBOSSFIRE, the next big thing for online marketers. TVBOSSFIRE puts you in front of a completely untapped audience. Using TVBOSSFIRE, you can have your very own channels on both Roku and Amazon Fire, beaming into 120 million homes around the world. And that too without creating a single video. Now I'm sure you're asking, why would you want to do that? Look, everyone knows that generating content is a guaranteed way to generate leads, build social media accounts and email lists, sell services and products, and even earn huge amounts in advertising revenue. You see, humans have always craved content. First, content was passed on verbally through stories, folklore, and fairy tales. Then came books, then newspapers, then radio, then TV, then computers, then the internet, and now smart devices that combine all these mediums have taken over. The fact is, humans have always consumed content and will continue to do so in the future. Having said that, just like you don't need to reinvent the wheel to build a car, you don't need to create original content to make profits. What if you can legally download millions of pieces of content to monetize absolutely free of cost? This is all possible now by creating your channels and putting your content in front of millions. TVBOSSFIRE taps into the growing popularity of connected TV. Yes, that's TV connected to the internet, like Roku and Amazon Fire. Now create premium channels that generate monthly subscriber revenue. Add to that the passive ad revenues you can earn by just flipping a switch. Not just that, you can bag extremely high-paying private deals from companies begging for more exposure. And you can run ads to effortlessly sell your own products and services. Really, once you use your channels to build highly profitable lists, you can sell anything you want. Could be your products or even others' products that fetch you thousands of dollars every month in commissions. And again, remember, you can do all this without creating a single video or piece of content yourself. That's right. Online TV is exploding so fast, audiences are starved for new content. They just can't get enough. Meaning you can legally and ethically use other people's videos to build your channel's traffic and profits. We'll show you how. This is not some loophole or hack that might work today and stop working tomorrow. This is a very real way to quickly develop multiple income streams, create a legitimate online business you can be proud of, simply by tapping into the biggest shift of online traffic in history. Every single day, every single minute, more and more people are joining Roku and Amazon Fire. And the best part is, less than 0.5% of online marketers even know this traffic exists, let alone know that this traffic is growing at explosive rates. Right now is the perfect time for you to get in and leverage this first mover's advantage. Check out the full details below. Pay careful attention to the demo so you can see exactly how this works. Some of our users who are living a quiet, retired life are getting results in as little as 24 hours, without lifting a finger, without having a subscriber list, without paying for ads, and without any previous experience. Now we're action takers, and we respect action takers like us who trust their instincts and are brave enough to get out of their comfort zone and venture into new and undiscovered territory. So to reward such action takers, we're offering TVBOSSFIRE at a massive discount. Once this launch closes, price for access will more than triple. And not just this, to celebrate this special launch, we've included powerful bonuses we've developed specifically for TVBOSSFIRE. Access to our Movers and Shakers group, a hyper-engaged community of users and experts where you can network, get answers to questions in real time, and see what's working right now. TVBOSSFIRE Bootcamp, an over-the-shoulder webinar where we show you exactly how to leverage the software and methods for the highest possible profits. Your very own About Your TV channel page to generate even more traffic to your channels. Look, I know you've heard such tall claims before, and could be therefore quite skeptical about this opportunity. I fully understand that and respect that. And I want to take up full responsibility and all the risks. So here's my offer. Get access to TVBOSSFIRE and try it totally risk-free for 30 days. Quickly create some premium channels, earn some easy ad revenue, and generate a solid list of subscribers. If at any time during these 30 days, for any reason you're not thrilled, let us know and get your money back. Keep all the money you've made. Keep all the lists you've generated. Sell them your products or others' products in the future. Doesn't get fairer than that. Right now we're celebrating 5 years of TVBOSSFIRE. And that's why we're running this special deal, where you can get access to it at a massive 75% discount. Fair warning though, this special offer is only available for a short period. And every day during this launch, the price for this incredible software goes up, no exceptions. Plus, there's absolutely no risk because you're covered by our rock-solid money-back guarantee. So take action now. Seize this opportunity with both hands and start generating massive profits with TVBOSSFIRE now. Get access right now before this launch special ends and the chance to get TV Boss Fire for such a low one-time payment is gone.